Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This morning, as I'm making my coffee and working on a new feature for my app, I wanted to share something that's been on my mind lately. It's about computer science degrees and whether or not they actually help you get hired in 2025. So here is the thing. A lot of people still believe that having a computer science degree means companies will automatically line up to hire them. You know how it goes, 3 to 4 years of studying, passing your exams, getting that diploma, and then you're done, right? But then you start applying on LinkedIn, Indeed, or other job portals, and nothing happens. Rejection after rejection, or even worse, you never hear back. And you start asking yourself why this happens to me. You have the degree, you did everything you were told, isn't that enough? The truth is that in 2025, that degree is just one tiny part of the bigger picture, and in a lot of cases, it's not even the most important part anymore. So let's see why the degree doesn't guarantee you a job. So don't get me wrong, I'm not anti-college. If you want to go and it makes sense for you financially and personally, go for it. College can be a great environment to meet people, get structure, and learn some computer science theory. But here is the catch, just having a CS degree doesn't make you job ready, especially if you have only done the required coursework and haven't built anything on your own. Most of the time, hiring managers aren't looking for someone who knows how to pass exams. They are looking for someone who can actually build things, solve problems, write clean and maintainable code. Let's say you are a hiring manager and you have got two candidates in front of you. The first candidate has a CS degree, good grades, no side projects, and their resume is full of things that you can find on YouTube tutorials. The second one doesn't have a degree, but he built and scaled a couple of real applications. He even launched them on the App Store and the Play Store and got some thousands of users. And the question is, who would you hire if you were the hiring manager? Personally, I will pick the second candidate without thinking twice, because that person has shown they can build real-world solutions. They have taken initiative, solved real user problems, and probably hit a bunch of technical challenges along the way. That's valuable, and this means that they have experience. At the end of the day, companies want people who can deliver, not just people with a diploma. Another good example is me. Back in high school, I studied a bit of C++, but honestly, I didn't enjoy it that much, it just didn't click for me. But I was still interested in programming, so I started learning on my own. I built some solid projects and I didn't have a CS degree, and I still do not have one, but I still managed to land some jobs. The thing is that you need to build projects that can be used by people and try to grow them and treat them like a business. Trust me, you will be able to land more interviews after they see that you are really good at what you're doing. So if you're watching this and you are wondering if you should go to college to learn programming, my honest answer is that it's not necessary to do that. What you need is proof. Proof that you know what you're doing. That proof can come in the form of GitHub repos, portfolio websites, mobile applications, or web apps. Anything that shows that you have built something from scratch, solved problems, and ideally helped some users. Companies are much more impressed by someone who built a real project and can talk about their process, the decision they made, and what they learned than someone who just has a CS degree and no practical experience. So don't just sit around waiting for that dream job to land because you have a diploma. Use your time to build something, even small things. Solve a problem that annoys you, make a tool for yourself, share it online, improve it. That's how you grow, man. To wrap this up, I'm not saying college is useless. If you're already in it, make the most of it. Learn theory, connect with people, and definitely build stuff on the side. If you're not in college, don't let that hold you back. You can absolutely become a great developer without it, but you will need to show your skills some other way. In 2025, your portfolio is your proof, so go out there, start building, keep learning, and keep growing. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and maybe drop a comment about your experience with college or self-taught programming. And see you in the next one. Peace.